Imagine transforming your regular gas-guzzling car into a sleek, environmentally friendly electric vehicle. It's not just a dream, it's possible. And today, we'll show you how. The revolution of conversion is at hand, where old meets new in a fusion of innovation and sustainability. This isn't about simply buying an electric vehicle off the lot. This is about taking a car that you already own and love and giving it a new lease of life. A life that is kinder to our planet and in many ways more efficient and cost-effective. Picture this: the hum of an electric motor replacing the roar of a combustion engine. The satisfaction of knowing that every mile you drive contributes less to global pollution. It's not just a transformation, it's a revolution. Stay with us as we delve into the exciting process of creating an electric vehicle from a regular car. Before the magic happens, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the vehicle's structure and identify the necessary modifications. This isn't just a case of out with the old and in with the new. It's about careful planning, precision, and most importantly, safety. Let's start with the internal combustion engine, the heart of any traditional vehicle. This needs to be removed to make way for our electric motor. It's a process that requires expertise, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Additionally, other parts such as the exhaust system, fuel tank, and radiator will also need to be removed. We're aiming to create a clean slate, a foundation on which we can build our electric vehicle. Remember, every car is unique, so it's essential to take measurements and plan accordingly. We want to ensure that our electric motor and its components will fit perfectly. With the car prepared, we're ready to bring in the heart of our electric vehicle, the electric motor. Now comes the exciting part: installing the electric motor, the powerhouse of our electric vehicle. This heart of our soon-to-be electric car will replace the old internal combustion engine. It's a delicate process that requires precision and technical know-how. The motor, although smaller in size than the old engine, packs a punch and will provide the thrust needed for our vehicle. First, the engine bay is prepped, ensuring a clean, smooth space for the motor. Then, our team mounts the motor, aligning it perfectly with the car's drivetrain. A crucial step, this alignment ensures power from the motor will be efficiently transferred to the wheels. The motor is then secured in place, ready to propel our car into the future. With the electric motor in place, we're one step closer to our goal. But power is nothing without a source. It's time for the batteries. To power our electric motor, we need high-performing batteries. Let's see how these get installed. The installation of batteries is a critical step in the conversion process. These are the powerhouses of our electric vehicle, providing the juice that will drive our motor. But it's not just about plugging in a couple of batteries and calling it a day. No, it's a process that requires precision, safety, and a keen understanding of the vehicle's design. We start by preparing the battery compartment. This is a specially designed space that can safely house the batteries. It's crucial to ensure this area is clean and free of any debris that could interfere with the installation or operation of the batteries. Next, we bring in the batteries. These aren't your typical car batteries. They're high-capacity rechargeable batteries, specifically designed for electric vehicles. These batteries are more efficient, have a longer lifespan, and can deliver the high power output required to drive our electric motor. Now, the placement of these batteries is key. They need to be positioned in a way that maximizes efficiency and maintains the vehicle's balance. After all, we don't want our vehicle to be lopsided, do we? Once we have the batteries positioned correctly, it's time to secure them. This involves fastening them firmly within the battery compartment to prevent any movement during driving. Safety is paramount here, as an unsecured battery could lead to serious issues down the line. With the batteries secured, we move on to the connections. This involves linking the batteries to the electric motor and the vehicle's electrical system. It's a complex network of wires and connectors, all carefully routed to minimize energy loss and ensure optimal performance. Last but not least, we double-check everything. We confirm that all connections are secure, all wires are properly routed, and the batteries are firmly in place. This step is crucial, as any issues could lead to poor performance or even safety risks. With the batteries in place, we're almost there. It's time to see the fruits of our labor. From a regular car to a modern electric vehicle, we've come a long way. It's been a journey of dismantling, understanding, and reconstructing, but every step has been worth it. Our ordinary car, once dependent on fossil fuels, has been transformed into a vehicle powered solely by electricity. This transformation is more than just a technical feat. It's a statement about the future of transportation. By converting our regular car into an electric one, we've significantly reduced its carbon footprint. Electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions. making them a much greener alternative to traditional cars. But the benefits don't stop there. Converting a car to electric also means saying goodbye to costly fuel expenses. The cost of electricity is significantly lower than that of gasoline, and with the rising efficiency of electric vehicles, this translates to considerable savings over time. We've also unlocked the potential for innovation. With an electric motor, our car is now more responsive and delivers smoother acceleration. The battery pack, strategically installed, not only powers the vehicle but also contributes to its balance and handling. But perhaps the most exciting part of this transformation is the empowerment it brings. Converting a car to electric isn't an exclusive craft reserved for experts or massive industries. With the right tools, knowledge, and a bit of courage, anyone can undertake this project. This transformation has been a testament to the power of innovation, a demonstration of how we can take control of our environmental impact and fuel costs. It's a shining example of the shift towards a more sustainable and efficient mode of transportation. Our once ordinary car is now a fully functional electric vehicle, a testament to the power of innovation and a step towards a greener future. It's an exciting journey we've embarked on, and it's only the beginning. The road to a sustainable future is full of possibilities, and we're thrilled to be on this ride.